Hey Wolfgang, I've noticed there's a difference between this broccoli and the California broccoli. Can you tell me what that is?
It's been very hot this year and dry. If you look down, you can see how burnt the grass is. If you look, we haven't had rain since basically middle of May, and the rains we did get were almost nothing. So broccoli is a cool weather crop, and when the broccoli has hot weather and dry weather, the plants stress. And when the plants stress, they grow these little bumps. But if you turn it over, it's really beautiful inside, no brown underneath. The stems are short, the plant is stressed, so it doesn't make big heads. So we're taking very small plants to bunch them, but California does that too when they have hot weather.
Interesting.
Now, part of our food safety certification, we're not allowed to irrigate broccoli after it started forming a head for the food safety end. So the plant has to live out of the remaining moisture in the ground, and then with hot and cold, it creates this. And when you get a small rain, which California doesn't at all, they are strictly on irrigation, they grow quickly and then they stop again, and then they grow quickly and they stop again. And then you can see here, you see a green and you see a little yellow line. It's not yellow, it's pale green from the plant growing fast. You can see this is a young thing, like just opening up the head, making it bigger, and when it grows quickly it has these lines, so it kind of looks like a zebra, but it's all green, it's all young. This is super young. This is not old yellow or brown going into brown. This is super young broccoli, and we have to cut it super young, otherwise it won't be sellable.
Makes sense.
So later on in a few weeks, when we get a bit cooler weather and we get a rain, then all the broccoli is going to have the typical blue-green color.
Beautiful.
And when it gets very cold and we get frost, the color is getting this nice purple shade over top. Again, people might be saying, what's wrong with that? It's just because it was exposed to some cold and it's get this reddish color, but it's just bright and beautiful.
Nice. Thank you.